Yo, what's up everyone? It's your AI channel and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of graphic design, but with a twist. We're talking about how you can build a whole freelance business around it, all powered by AI. So, whether you're completely new to design or you've dabbled a bit and want to take it to the next level, stick around. Let's get started. Alright, so before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why this is even a thing. Why is now the perfect time to jump into the world of graphic design with AI by your side? Well, first off, the demand for graphic design is exploding. Think about it. Every business needs a logo, every website needs visuals, every social media post needs to stand out. And that's where AI comes in. We're talking about tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, MidJourney. These are like power-ups for your creativity. They can help you generate ideas, create templates, and even handle some of the more technical aspects of design. These tools are here to enhance your skills, not replace them. They free you up to focus on the bigger picture, understanding your clients, crafting a brand story, and adding that unique human touch that AI just can't replicate. And the best part? A lot of these AI tools are incredibly accessible. It's giving everyone the power to bring their creative visions to life. Okay, so you're hyped about AI graphic design, you've got the tools, now what? Well, it's time to find your niche. This is where you get laser focused on a specific type of design or target audience. Specializing helps you stand out from the crowd. Instead of being just another designer, you become the go-to expert for, say, minimalist logos or vibrant social media graphics. Think about your interests and strengths. Use AI tools to your advantage. Hop on Pinterest, browse design trends on Behance, or even use MidJourney to generate concepts based on your keywords. Remember, you're not copying, you're getting inspired and finding your own unique angle. And once you've found it, own it. Alright, you've got your niche locked in, now it's time to build a portfolio that'll make potential clients hit that hire button. Think of your portfolio as your visual resume. Start by creating mock projects. Design a logo for a fictional coffee shop, create a social media campaign for an imaginary clothing brand, or even redesign your favorite app's interface. The key here is to treat these mock projects like the real deal. Once you've got a few solid projects under your belt, it's time to choose a platform to showcase your work. Behance and Dribbble are popular choices for designers, but you can also create a simple website or even use a platform like Canva to create a digital portfolio. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and highlights your best work. Remember, your portfolio is a work in progress. So, you've got your niche, you've built a killer portfolio, now comes the part that makes a lot of creatives nervous pricing your work. It's a balancing act, right? You want to be compensated fairly for your skills and time, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market, especially when you're starting out. First things first, do your research. Check out what other freelance graphic designers in your niche are charging. When you're just starting out, you might want to consider setting your rates slightly lower to attract those first few clients and build your reputation. As you gain experience, positive reviews, and a stronger portfolio, you can gradually increase your prices. Because you're using tools that can streamline your workflow and save you time, you might be able to take on more projects or complete them faster. Don't be afraid to experiment with different pricing models. Be transparent with your clients about your pricing structure and what's included in your services. Okay, so you've got all the pieces in place, a niche, a portfolio, a pricing strategy. Now it's time to shout it from the rooftops or, at least get your name out there in the digital world. Marketing yourself as a freelance graphic designer is all about reaching the right people, showcasing your expertise, and building relationships. Freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru are great places to find potential clients. Create a compelling profile, highlight your skills, and start bidding on projects that align with your niche. Social media is your best friend. Create a dedicated Instagram account for your design work, share behind-the-scenes content on your process, and engage with other creatives in your niche. Networking is also key. Attend online or in-person design events, connect with other freelancers, and reach out to potential clients directly. Building genuine relationships can lead to referrals and long-term collaborations. Remember, marketing yourself is an ongoing process. And there you have it, guys. That's how you can leverage the power of AI to launch your very own freelance graphic design business. Remember, the demand for high-quality design is only going up, and with AI by your side, you've got the tools to create stunning visuals and build a successful career doing what you love. Don't be afraid to experiment, to learn, and to put yourself out there. The freelance world is all about building relationships, delivering exceptional work, and constantly evolving your skills. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join me on this exciting journey as we explore the future of creativity and entrepreneurship. Until next time, keep designing, keep hustling, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace!